Hello students, good morning everyone. You are welcome to NK Sir's Organic Chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss the introduction to organic chemistry. So what is organic chemistry? You see here. Organic chemistry is the study of hydrocarbons and its derivatives. Now here you may get a doubt. What are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons nothing but compounds containing carbon and hydrogen are called as hydrocarbons. Now, for example, see clearly here this is one hydrocarbon and here this is one hydrocarbon and even here also one hydrocarbon. So now here a question arises that in periodic table many elements are there. Then why carbon is associated only with hydrogen? There is a reason. What is the reason? Electronegativity of carbon is 2.5 and hydrogen is 2.1. So the difference is only 0.4. So due to less electronegativity difference, carbon mostly associate with hydrogen. As a result, the compounds formed are called as hydrocarbons. And study of that hydrocarbons is called as organic chemistry. Now you see here hydrocarbons, two types are there. What are the two types? Saturated and unsaturated. Two types of hydrocarbons we will come across in organic chemistry. For saturated, the best example is what? Alkanes, whereas unsaturated, alkenes and alkynes. Now here you may ask me, why alkanes are called saturated and why alkenes and alkynes are called unsaturated? Now here alkene general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkene general formula CnH2n, whereas alkyne general formula CnH2n minus 2. Now here if you see clearly, all of them have same n number of carbons only, but they are differing in hydrogens. So if 2n plus 2 hydrogens are there, if 2n plus 2 hydrogens are there, it is called saturated hydrocarbon. Whereas in alkene and alkyne, if you see clearly, number of hydrogens are less than alkane, therefore they are unsaturated. So saturated and unsaturated are differing in what? They are differing in number of hydrogens. You see here number of hydrogens only 2n are there, whereas here number of hydrogens are 2n minus 2. Therefore they are unsaturated. Why? Because they are having less number of hydrogens when compared to alkene. Now we will study about the functional groups. So what is a functional group? An atom or group of atoms which decides the characteristic properties of an organic compound is called functional group. So functional group will decide the characteristic properties of the organic compound. For example, now you see in this compound, you see ketone is the functional group, whereas in this compound you see aldehyde is the functional group. Now here I am giving you a list of the functional groups which we will come across in organic chemistry. Now you see here the first one is the alkane functional group where single bonded carbons will be there. Now second one you see double bonded carbons are there, alkene. Next here you see triple bonded carbons, alkyne, and this functional group is arene, whereas this is haloalkane. Now here this is aldehyde, this is ketone, next this is alcohol, and this is ether, whereas this is amine. Next this is the carboxylic acid, next this is anhydride, and this one you see ester, and this is amide, and this is the acid halide. So these are some important functional groups that we will come across in organic chemistry, and functional groups will decide the characteristic properties of the organic compounds. Now we will study about the reaction mechanisms. So what is actually reaction mechanism? Here I am giving you the definition. An organic reaction mechanism is a model that shows how electrons move. So in reaction mechanism, we are going to study the movement of electrons as well as the movement of bonds also. And in this reaction mechanism, we are going to study about the reactants, products, and about the intermediates which are involved. Now, in reaction mechanism of organic chemistry, generally we will come across three types of reactions. What are the three? First one, you see, substitution reactions. Now here if you see clearly, in the substitution reaction, this is the substitution reaction example. Now in this one, once you see clearly here, Z is substituted by Y. So such type of reactions are called as what? Substitution reactions. Whereas second one you see here, now second one is the elimination reactions. Now in this elimination reactions, if you see clearly, in the reactant X and Y are there, but in the product, now in place of them a new pi bond is formed and X and Y are eliminated. Such type of reactions are called as what? Elimination reactions. Now coming to the point of the third one, that is called as addition reactions. Now here you see, in this addition reactions, this X is added. Now this X is added to this carbon and Y is added to this carbon. So here you see, now as a result we got this compound, you see. So in this way X and Y are added. Such type of reactions are called as what? Addition reactions. So generally in organic chemistry we will come across these three types of reactions: substitution, elimination, and addition reactions. So this is one small introduction to organic chemistry. Thank you one and all.